indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Pullet, Richmond Hill, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 interchange, Hunter Army Airfield, Windsor Forest, Midtown Savannah, Downtown Savannah, Garden City, Bloomingdale, Burroughs, and Meldrum. This warning includes the following interstates. Interstate 16 between mile markers 149 and 162.